This is Milwaukee's Fish Stick Light Accessory. It comes with a paper tab in the screw threads that you can remove. I like to keep that tab because it does keep it from activating in my toolbox. Just a couple turns the light on, and it does direct the light out, but you can still have attachments in the downward direction. So it's a nice little light. Demonstrating the glow in the dark of the Milwaukee Fish Stick. You can see a light soft green line across my dark screen. My fish stick coming out of a void I'm using to push some speaker wire through. And on the tip I've installed the light screw-on light adapter. For using the Milwaukee Fish Stick, this is the high flex option with the bullet tip and a light accessory installed on it. Just pushing this through some of my ceiling gap is what I've been using to pull these speaker wires through.